Hey y'all, today I have the FENG Smart Bluetooth LED light bulbs. 2-pack. You get 2 of these light bulbs. There's the other one. And you get the little instruction book. Now, you do have to download an app on your phone, which this is our app. It is the Living Colors app. It is one word because if you type in Living Colors as 2 words, you're not going to come up with it. And you do have to add an S at the end. And then you plug in your lamp to any, or your light bulb into any lamp, I'm sorry, or even like a fixture up in the ceiling. And then once you're connected, and it does take a minute or two to get it all figured out, I'm not gonna lie. See what I'm doing here. Alright, here's your main screen where you can set your timers from 5 minutes to 60 minutes. You can set your brightness. I don't know how well this is going to show up. Your brightness and your dimness. It doesn't seem to be showing the colors either, because right now the light bulb is green, but it's not showing that. It turns the light off and on. You can go into scene here where you've got your palette, your graduate, your night light. You can password it. You can rename your light. You can do presets. You can make it go to music and temperatures and all of that. And it does it all just by the click of your phone. Let's see. Now, this is not really showing the colors, but I'm going to try and see if we can get some color going here. Well, it's showing it like on the blind behind it. You can see at that I'm changing the colors from blues, greens, reds, oranges, purples, the whole 9 yards. It's just not showing it, the bulb on this film. At least it's not for me, so I'm not sure if it is or not. But you can change the colors to anything you want just by running, put your finger on there and just run it around, and it changes your colors. You can go from lighter to dimmer, white to dark, or bright to dark, I'm sorry, and from white to colorful. You can set this, I think it said it had like 1,000,000 colors that it could set it for just by playing with your little thing here. And then you can turn it on and it'll ask you to allow it to record audio and stuff, and you tell it yes, and then you can play music, and then it'll like thump through the music and different things like that. And then you can set a night light. So it is really cool, and you don't have to even have these light bulbs set up in the same room. You can set them in separate rooms. They do connect via Bluetooth, and you can put them in separate rooms, or you can put, you know, if you've got 2 lamps in one room and you want to set mood lighting or whatever, these would be perfect for that. So check these out on Amazon. I'll leave you a link below.